In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go live on TikTok in 2021 without 1,000 followers. So once you have loaded up TikTok, you want to go ahead and go to your profile by tapping the me icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you can see 3 vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Tap on that. Then you want to scroll down till you find report a problem underneath support. Tap on report a problem. Then you want to scroll down once again until you find live payments and rewards near the bottom. Tap on that. And then you want to tap on hosting a live, and then you can tap on live is suspended, and now you want to tap on no, and you tap on still have a problem, and now it will take you to a page where you can tell them some feedback. So you want to explain your situation. So I'll just type out something and then we can read it. Okay, so what I've typed is, hi, I previously could go live on my account but not anymore. My followers used to enjoy my live videos. Could you enable the live feature on my account again? Thank you. And then you want to go ahead and report that by tapping the red report button. That'll be sent off to TikTok, and then you want to make sure that you wait 48 hours for a response. So that is how you go live on TikTok in 2021 without 1,000 followers. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.